I've been there 2 months and I've only cleaned it one time and I didn't even need to.
Go to ForeverGuard.com's case studies page to learn why a Major League Baseball team decided that ForeverGuard's CSP process improved both fan safety and experience. Or learn why a major Texas university chose ForeverGuard's CSP process to protect students from mold buildup in their restrooms, all while making the restrooms exponentially easier to clean. The CSP process begins with the removal of unsightly, dangerous mold using our powerful cleaner, Cyclone. We then sanitize with the only cleaner disinfectant of its kind, Safety Guard. We finally apply our patented Titania surface protectant, preventing mold, mildew, and bacteria buildup for nearly 5 years. Again, all while making it easier to clean. Here's Laura from Denton, Texas, telling us how CSP has worked for her.
The bathrooms are great. I have a white subway tile in my shower with white grout, and I've been there 2 months and I've only cleaned it one time and I didn't even need to. I just thought I should, but it still looks clean. There's no mold, there's no pink stuff that grows.
If CSP can be that effective in high traffic facilities, imagine what it could do for your home's bathroom surfaces in protecting your most vulnerable family members. So click the link below to find out more about ForeverGuard's CSP process and eliminate the need to deep clean your bathrooms for years to come.